Hi, Highlanders, and welcome back to another episode of Hewes News.
This week we will have morning announcements.
Fantastic pets and where to find them.
Learn how to make oatmeal raisin cookies. Learn a few fun facts with Soren.
And take a look at the weather. First, let's watch some morning announcements. Hi, Hewes Highlanders. There is nothing going on this week.
Next, it's time for Fantastic Pets at Hewes.
Hi, Highlanders. Welcome back to Fantastic Pets at Hewes and where to find them. Today's pet is a turtle named Pebbles. Now it's time to learn a little bit about Pebbles. Pebbles is described as energetic, curious, and a scaredy turtle, though he will always swim back to you. Pebble hates to be picked up but loves people. A little known fact is that many turtles hibernate in the winter when they're in the wild, but indoor turtles just slow down. Also, Pebbles is 5 years old. Thank you for watching. If you would like your pet to be in a Hewes News video, please fill out the Google form in the description.
What a cute turtle.
It's now time to learn how to make oatmeal raisin cookies in the kitchen. Today we will be making oatmeal raisin cookies. The following ingredients are required. You'll need 1/2 of a cup of butter, softened, 1/2 cup of butter flavored shortening, 1 cup of packaged light brown sugar, don't pack this in, 1/2 of a cup of white sugar, also don't pack it in, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 and 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 3 cups of rolled oats, then 1 cup of raisins. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. The next step is to put in your butter flavored shortening, sugar, brown sugar, eggs, and vanilla, and then cream them together until they're smooth. This is going to take a while, so I'm going to speed this part up. Turn the mixer off once your batter looks like this. Next, put in your flour, baking soda, cinnamon, cloves, and salt. Then mix it. Again, this is going to take a while, so I'm going to speed it up. Once it looks like this, you're good to go. Now, put in all 3 cups of oats and raisins. Now start mixing all of this together, and again, it's going to take a while, so I'm going to speed this part up. Once it looks like this, you're good. Now, scoop your cookie dough with a cookie scooper onto a cookie sheet. And I'm going to speed this part up since it takes a very, very long time. Now put your cookie dough into the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Also, this cookie dough is not very tasty, so don't eat it. While your cookies are baking, make sure to set up something that looks like this so your cookies can cool. Once you get your cookies out of the oven, let them sit for 2 minutes, then scrape them off of the pan and put them onto a cooling rack like you've just set up. And then I'm gonna speed this up again because, again, it takes a little while. If you ever run out of room on your cooling rack, you can always just stack the already cooled cookies. Repeat this process, and then you'll have your newly baked oatmeal raisin cookies. Enjoy!
That looks great.
I agree. It's time to learn some fun facts with Soren.
Hi, welcome to the Hewes News Fun Fact segment. Our fun fact for the week is a short math fun fact. The fun fact is that 4 is the only number that has the same number of letters as the number itself is.
That was an interesting fact, Soren.
Lastly, it's time to see what the weather will be this week.
Hello, Highlanders. I'm your weatherman, and welcome to the weather segment of Hewes News. As you can see, the weather is in about the 70s and 80s this week. It's got very, very low chance of rain and about 13-mile-an-hour winds, and pretty sunny and stuff. So, as you know, it's getting towards summer, so things are going to get annoying again. That's the weather.
Thank you, Soren, and thank you, Hughes Highlanders, for watching.
See you next week.